there's a chest. There's a chest. Whoa. Where is it? Oh! It's a tornado. Gotta get to my office. It literally broke my window. That's how I got sucked in. Yo. How is my table still standing? No, I'm gonna sit right here. Sitting right here is not gonna suck me.